Okay, so let's start. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make object bounce in Blender. So first things first, let's delete the cube and then add a plane, scale it up 8 times and then shift A and a sphere. Over here go into the segments and do it 16 and rings 8 cause we want it a little low poly. Then move it upwards. This much should be fine, I think. Then select the plane, go into the physics panel, give it the collision. Select the sphere. First go to the modifier, give it a subdivision surface, level 3, and then shade smooth. Go to the physics panel, give it a soft body. Now over here, uncheck goal and in edges, the main thing is bending. So right now if we play it will be like this. But if we put it in 1, it's like floppy type of, it's gliding much. So if you want nothing, then just do it at 10 so that it will be stiff. It's more stiff now, it can bounce it. We can check it on 5. So this depends on your project, how you want the ball, and that's basically it. You can just play with the settings over here. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.